What if the next power outage lasted longer than expected? Would your flashlight actually be ready when you need it most? Most people don't realize that during emergencies, a weak flashlight can become completely useless in minutes. But the right emergency flashlight can light up your entire home, help protect your family, and even keep working for days without failing. In today's video, we're counting down the 4 best emergency flashlights for home use in 2026, from budget-friendly multi-packs to professional-grade tactical beasts built for serious reliability. We're comparing brightness, battery life, durability, charging options, and real-world performance so you know exactly which flashlight deserves a spot in your emergency kit. And trust me, one of these flashlights absolutely dominates the competition by the end of this list. All the links are in the description. Let's get started. Number 4. MILAOSHU Rechargeable Flashlights 990000. If you want maximum value without spending a fortune, the MILAOSHU Rechargeable Flashlight 2-pack is honestly one of the easiest recommendations on this list. Now yes, the advertised 990,000 lumens is definitely exaggerated, and that's pretty common in the budget flashlight world. But don't let that fool you, because these things are still seriously bright in real-world use. You're realistically getting around 2,000 to 3,000 lumens, which is more than enough to light up an entire backyard, garage, or dark room during a blackout. Compared to the Esgreen flashlight later in this video, the MILAOSHU gives you a wider flood beam and better overall value since you're getting 2 flashlights plus a carrying case for the price of one mid-range competitor. The aviation-grade aluminum body feels rugged and durable, and the IPX7 waterproof rating means rainstorms and accidental drops won't stop it from working. One thing I really like here is the telescopic zoom feature, because you can quickly switch from a broad floodlight to a focused spotlight depending on the situation. The battery performance is also surprisingly solid, delivering around 6 to 10 hours depending on the mode you use. USB-C charging makes life easier too. No outdated charging ports here. Sure, thermal management isn't as refined as premium brands like Streamlight, but for families building an affordable emergency setup, this flashlight punches way above its price. What do you think about budget flashlight packs like this? Would you trust them during a blackout? Let me know in the comments. Number 3. Esgreen Rechargeable Flashlight High Lumens. If long-distance visibility is your priority, the Esgreen Rechargeable Flashlight immediately stands out from the competition. This flashlight is built more like a tactical spotlight than a simple household torch, and compared to the MILAOSHU, it delivers a tighter, more focused beam that reaches much farther into the distance. Again, the 100,000 lumens marketing number is unrealistic, but the actual performance is still impressive enough to easily light up distant objects hundreds of feet away. One of the coolest features here is the LCD digital battery display, and honestly, once you use an exact battery percentage indicator, it's hard to go back to those old 4-dot battery lights. You always know exactly how much power you have left. The simplified 2-mode operation is another underrated advantage, because during emergencies, nobody wants to cycle through 10 annoying flashing modes just to find high brightness. Compared to the MILAOSHU, the Esgreen feels more specialized for security, outdoor searching, and long-range visibility, while the MILAOSHU is better for general household coverage. The 6,000 mAh battery also gives this flashlight an edge in endurance, and the built-in power bank feature means you can even charge your phone during emergencies. That alone could become a lifesaver during extended outages. It's definitely bulkier than compact home flashlights, but for rural homeowners, security use, or outdoor emergencies, this thing is a beast. And honestly, the digital display alone makes it feel much more premium than most budget tactical lights. Would you rather have a wide flood beam or a focused long-range spotlight? Drop your answer below. Number 2. Tughlax 4-pack Rechargeable Flashlights High Lumens. Now this is where things get really practical for families. The Tughlax 4-pack rechargeable flashlights aren't just about brightness, they're about convenience, coverage, and making sure you always have a flashlight nearby when disaster hits. Think about it. 1 flashlight in the car, 1 in the kitchen, 1 in the garage, and 1 in your emergency bag. That's exactly where this set shines compared to the single light options on this list. Just like the others, the million lumen marketing claims are exaggerated, but real-world brightness is still strong enough for blackouts, outdoor use, and emergency situations. Compared to the MILAOSHU 2-pack, this gives you double the coverage for a household setup, and compared to the Esgreen, it sacrifices some long-range performance in exchange for versatility and convenience. The aluminum alloy construction feels surprisingly durable for a multi-pack flashlight set, and the LCD battery display is a huge advantage because every flashlight clearly shows remaining battery life. That's incredibly useful during emergencies when you don't want surprises. The telescopic zoom feature works well for switching between flood and spotlight modes, and the USB-C rechargeability keeps everything modern and simple. Another thing I appreciate is the easy one-button interface. No complicated controls, no learning curve, just grab it and go. This set feels designed specifically for blackout preparedness and emergency planning rather than tactical use. If you're trying to equip an entire household without spending premium money, this is honestly one of the smartest choices on the list. And let's be real, having multiple reliable flashlights is always better than having one expensive flashlight that nobody can find during an emergency. Number 1. Streamlight 75458 Stinger D-LED Hell. Alright, if you want the absolute most reliable flashlight on this list, the one built for professionals whose lives literally depend on their gear, the Streamlight Stinger D-LED Hell completely separates itself from the budget competition. Unlike flashy marketing brands claiming fake million lumen numbers, Streamlight gives you a real, verified 800 lumen output. And honestly, those 800 lumens hit differently. The beam is incredibly clean, powerful, and consistent, flooding entire rooms, garages, and vehicles with bright, usable light. Compared to every other flashlight on this list, this is the clear winner in overall build quality, reliability, thermal control, and long-term durability. The dual switch system is one of the best features here because you can activate the flashlight from either the head switch or tail switch, depending on how you're holding it. That sounds small, but in stressful situations, it makes a huge difference. The aircraft-grade aluminum body feels incredibly premium and durable. And, unlike many cheaper flashlights that dim quickly as they heat up, the Streamlight maintains stable performance for extended periods. The piggyback charger system is another professional-level feature because it charges both the flashlight and a spare battery simultaneously, meaning you're never stuck waiting for power. Compared to the Tughlax or MILAOSHU packs, you're obviously paying more upfront, but this flashlight is built for years of dependable service instead of short-term value. And honestly, when the power goes out in a serious emergency, reliability matters more than exaggerated brightness numbers. This is the kind of flashlight you buy once and trust for a decade. If a flashlight failing could put your family at risk, this is the one you want in your home. Final verdict. Which emergency flashlight wins? So, which emergency flashlight should you actually buy? Here's the breakdown. If you want the best budget-friendly value, the MILAOSHU 2-pack is hard to beat. If you need long-range visibility and tactical performance, the Esgreen delivers impressive spotlight power and battery features. If your goal is full home emergency preparedness, the Tughlax 4-pack gives you the smartest overall household setup. But when it comes to the best overall emergency flashlight for home use in 2026, the winner is the Streamlight Stinger D-LED Hell. It may not have the fake million lumen marketing numbers, but it absolutely dominates where it matters most. Real reliability, professional-grade durability, stable brightness, and long-term performance. This is the flashlight you can truly depend on during a serious emergency, and that makes it worth every penny. And that wraps up our list of the 4 best emergency flashlights for home use in 2026. Which one was your favorite? Did we miss a flashlight that deserves to be on this list? Let everyone know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next gear roundup. All the links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.